How can you stop hiccups? Here's something you can try. Take a glass, fill it to the brim with water. Then take your thumbs, put them in your ears and plug them. Take your index fingers, plug your nose. Then bend down, put your mouth over the glass like this, And then use the rest of your fingers to lift the glass. Drink all the water all at once. Pretty close. Now, how could this stop your hiccups? First, close your ears and your nose. Combined with drinking may stimulate nerves to help them interrupt the hiccup reflex. Give it a shot.